kiss. I would be remiss to not make you my main missus. Give me her, wanna make her come here, come here, come here. I pray that this pain disappear. Just want my kids near, near. So blessed with my place, so blessed with my face, so blessed with my breath. You gave me breath, breath. You gave me life, life. You gave me clothes. I remember the day where I had nothing. I had nothing, nothing, nothing except my car and my clothes. I was gone in the cold. You saved me, Jesus. You raised me, Jesus. I was dead away, gone from the world. You made me who I am. Thank you, Jesus, Elohim. I was leper and you healed me. I was broke and you paid me. I was hurt and you healed me, healed me, healed me. My knees on the ground. I'm sorry you took everything from me, and I still sin against the tree. Thank you, Jesus, for my breath. Thank you for my health. Thank you for raising me when I had no one to call, no one to help, nothing to eat. You were with me, you were with me. Oh Jesus, you were with me. You were with me, you give me gifts. I pray to be the man I need to be for her. And for my kids, help me live righteous. Rise me up, you're fantastic. Food on my plate, a nice day, nice dinner with a suit on, suit on. And I used to have to put my mute on, put the headphones on, drift off asleep in some random place. Now I'm chilling, flying to Vegas to a different place. I can fight for you, I can fight for them. I pray to see my kids before I go away. And I sacrificed, and I took care of your mom, and I took care of you, and I took care of them.